Strong wind to nearly 50 knots. And
Dora,
large
get
hail
out.
over Burns Harbor, moving northeast at 30.
Tornado sirens are going off. Huh? I know. I don't know. I think it's just they're being careful. The worst severe weather outbreak I've ever experienced. It is constant thunder to my southwest. Hey, Mom. Change the channel to 12 on the remote. Press in 1, 2. Please and thank you. Thank you. Good. Today would be... Oh, that's why only sirens I'm hearing from the south. They're only for the southern parts.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, southwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Stark County in northwest Indiana, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Valparaiso and moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, spotter indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Westville, LaPorte, La Crosse, Wanada, Kingsford Heights, Hamlet, Coates Lake, Otis, Haskell, South Wanada, Pinhook, Thomaston, Pinola, Hanna, Union Mills, Brems, Kingsbury, Tracy, South Center, and Salem Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm is producing destructive wind and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, St. Joseph, and Stark. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Hey.